What is up everyone? In this updated video, we'll set up this FM transmitter in my car. So let's get started. First thing you wanna do is plug this into the cigarette lighter socket. It will turn on. If it doesn't, it's probably defective or the socket is damaged. Try a different car and see if it works. You'll notice the default FM frequency here. Next, you wanna switch your car to FM mode. Then depending on your car model, you'll have to change the frequency. Find a frequency that is empty and static, where you just listen to noise. Those channels are perfect. 89 seems to be working fine in my area. Then you want to use those two buttons on your transmitter to change the channel. If you don't have channel buttons, press and hold the call button. And when the lights flash, use the volume buttons to adjust the frequency. When you match the transmitter's frequency with the car's radio, you won't hear the static noise anymore. That means that both are now connected. The next step is opening the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Scan for new devices and you will find something like BT car. Depending on your FM transmitter, this could be something else as well. Tap on it to connect. Once connected, play something to test it. Great, it's working fine. Now when you get a call, you can press this answer button to answer it. FM transmitters have a built-in microphone, so you can talk. Just make sure that the transmitter is not covered, or it's not very far. When done, use the same button to cut the call. These two are volume buttons. If the sound is distorted or not the best quality, try reducing the volume a bit from here. So this is it. Thanks for watching and take care.